In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a Shopify menu. Let's start inside your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where you manage how your website looks and feels. On the Themes page, find the theme that's currently live on your store. Next to that theme, you'll see a button with 3 dots. Click on those dots, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Edit Code. This opens the code editor for your theme. In the code editor, look at the list of folders on the left and click on Sections. Inside that folder, find the file called Header Liquid and click on it. This file controls the layout and content of your store's header, including your main navigation menu. Now, click anywhere inside the header, liquid code area, select everything, and delete it. Before you do this, it's a good idea to make a backup by copying the original code into a separate document, just in case you want to revert later. Next, open the link provided in the description of this video and copy the code that's there. This code has been prepared to add image support to your menu. Go back to the Shopify code editor and paste that code into the empty header liquid file. When you're done, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. Once the code is saved, click on Edit Theme to open the Visual Theme Editor. In the left-hand column, click on Header. Look for a drop-down that controls the type of navigation and switch it to Mega Menu. This layout is what allows you to display images alongside your menu links. Then click the back icon to return to the main list of header settings. Now, under the header settings, click on Add Block and choose Menu Image. A new block will appear in the left-hand column. Click on that menu image block to configure it. In the link name field, type the exact name of the menu item you want this image to connect to. Then, in the title field, enter the text you want to show underneath the image. Next, click into the link field and choose the correct collection or product you want people to be taken to when they click the image. First select collections or products, then choose the specific item from the list. In the image section, click Select, choose the image you want to use from your library or uploads, and then click Done. When everything looks good in the preview, click Save to publish your changes.